Imagine driving down the road and suddenly hearing a loud pop from your exhaust when you step on the gas, or noticing your engine seems to be running way too rich for no reason. That annoying check engine light staring back at you with a P0411 code means your secondary air injection system has an incorrect flow problem. This is basically an emissions helper that acts like a fresh air pump for your exhaust manifold. When your engine is warming up in open loop or running normally in closed loop, this system pumps extra air into the exhaust to help burn off nasty stuff like hydrocarbons and carbon monoxide, turning them into harmless water vapor and carbon dioxide. Think of it as giving your catalytic converter a little extra oxygen to do its job better. The PCM, which is your car's brain, keeps a close eye on this by turning the system on and watching the oxygen sensors. If it sees the fuel trims shift in a positive direction because of that extra air, it knows things are working. If nothing changes within a few seconds, it triggers the light. To fix this, you should first try to command the air pump on using a scan tool while the engine is off. If you do not hear it hum, go straight to the relay. Look for any signs of melting or heat damage because these pumps pull a lot of juice. You will want to check for 12 volts at the relay and make sure the fuse is not blown. If the pump works when you bypass the relay with a jumper wire, but not through the computer command, that relay is likely your culprit. Do not forget to check the vacuum lines and the cutoff valve too. If that valve is stuck or the vacuum solenoid is not pulling air through, the whole system fails, even if the pump is spinning perfectly. Also, take a quick peek at the check valve to make sure exhaust gases are not flowing backward into the pump, which usually destroys it pretty quickly. Keeping this system clear ensures your car stays eco-friendly and avoids those embarrassing exhaust backfires during hard acceleration.